finance, a la shmup. What is an accumulated dividend? Okay, you know what a dividend is. Companies generally commit to paying it when they have so much extra cash profit that they really don't know what to do with the dough. Yeah, nice place to be. In the case of a preferred stock, the dividends aren't just optional-ish. They operate more like bond interest, only with a catch. That is, dividends on preferred stock can, in fact, be halted without the company being repossessed by the debt holders. Like in the case where the company falls on hard times, or it wants to preserve its cash to buy a competitor, or it just wants another jet with a water slide thing on it. Well, yeah, it can halt its dividend in those cases, and, well, there are two types of preferred stock in this realm: the ones that pay cumulative dividends, and the ones that don't, cleverly named non-cumulative. Say a company has halted dividends from its preferred for 3.5 years, and it was paying $5 a quarter in dividends from those cumulative preferreds. Well, if it was to resume paying dividends on them, it would first have to pay all back 14 quarters worth of dividends before it began to issue more dividends or pay them to its preferred holders. That is, it owed 3 years times 4 quarters, or 12 quarters, plus half a year, or 2 quarters, for a total of 14 quarters at $5 a quarter a share. So that's 5 times 14, or $70 a share in back cumulative dividends. Big obligation, but it has to pay that amount before it can resume dividend payments. Why would a company have a cumulative feature in its preferred dividend obligation? Well, because investors forced it to do so, or they wouldn't invest. They were worried that the preferred dividends might be just summarily stopped, and then the investors would have little or no return on their investment in the preferreds. And this can be a problem for companies that have fallen on hard times. They are essentially made illiquid in that they can't afford to pay the back dividends on the preferreds, and they can't raise more capital with this blight on their record of having stopped paying a divvy. Well, most preferred stocks are non-cumulative, and if companies decide to just stop paying them, they can. But if they do, it's kind of like they've reneged on a handshake, and investors talk. So, good luck to the company ever trying to raise capital again from the cold, cruel outside world. Yeah, welcome to Wall Street.